Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to give you a quick update on Elevate classes. So you may remember that last year in September, I made an announcement that we are starting a very dedicated preparatory program for students based in India who are preparing for various examinations like Physics IIT JAM, TIFR, JEST, and the entrance to Masters and Masters PhD programs in various Indian universities. And the name of that batch is the Physics IIT JAM Masterclass batch. We had a large number of registrations in that batch, and I'm very happy to say that we have had a very successful batch with a multiple number of admissions to various institutes. So I'll put up some of these names and selections on the screen. So many of our students from that batch have been selected to various programs in various top tier Indian institutes. Now, since some time, I have been receiving messages from many students to start a new batch, and therefore we have finally come up with the Physics IIT JAM 2022 Masterclass batch, which is going to start from July 14th. So if you're interested in any of these examinations, you may be interested in this particular program. So let me just quickly tell you what all you will get access to under this particular Masterclass batch. First of all, you'll get access to 450 hours of live interactive online classes. The emphasis here is interactive. You see, in many online classes, you talk to the teachers via chat, not here. Here, you talk to the teachers one-on-one, you clarify your doubts, you ask your questions. So these are 450 hours of live online interactive classes spread out over a period of 6 to 7 months, 5 to 6 days a week. You will also get access to all of these live lectures via recorded lectures. So all of these live lectures will be recorded, and all these recordings will be made accessible to you for one complete year starting 14th July. You'll also get access to the daily lecture PDFs. You'll also get access to a full-length test series happening in December, January in our dedicated mobile application. All of the teachers, which are 5 teachers in this particular batch, are highly experienced subject matter experts who have qualified these examinations themselves, and they have studied in these institutes themselves. So you can rest assured that you will be spending time with some very highly qualified teachers who will help you in your journey of preparation towards these various examinations. Last 2 points. This is not a free program which is this long, this intensive, programs of this volume and magnitude. There is a lot of hard work that goes into the creation of these programs. However, we have given a heavy amount of discount in the admission fees because this is our second batch. I can guarantee you one thing, that by the end of the program, you will realize that the amount of value you receive in this particular batch will be many times more than the very small admission fees that we have kept. If you want to know more, I have created a feedback thread in Quora. I'll put a link in the description where previous students from the previous batch have given their feedback regarding their experience in the 2021 Masterclass batch. You can read their reviews. I have also done 3 separate podcasts with some of our toppers from the batch. You can look at those podcasts. I'll put a link in the description of their conversations. And lastly, please register only and only if you are seriously preparing for these examinations and you require guidance from some highly experienced faculties, and you are ready to spend the next 6 to 7 months of your time in a very intense, dedicated program. So if you register on our website, which is www.elevateclasses.in, you will get access to the first 5 days of demo lectures for free. So that is all for today. Best of luck to everyone who is preparing for this particular examination. I'll be back on my channel after a couple of days with the usual lectures. That's all. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.